How to clean marble floors the right way. Dear friends, for everyday dirt and dust, a good dust mop and a nylon broom are your best cleaning maintenance tools. Opt for either a natural fiber or microfiber dry mop, and an angled nylon broom with split ends for the best results. Use the broom to clean your marble floors daily and break out the dust mop once a week to keep dust and dirt from scratching the marble and creating buildup. While some vacuum cleaners with a hard floor setting may be able to get the job done faster, there is always the risk of damaging your marble floors. If you sweep your marble floors daily and dry mop them weekly, you can get away with a monthly deep cleaning and keep your floors looking beautiful all year long. Keep up with your regular marble floor maintenance and make these marble floor tile cleaning tips a part of your monthly cleaning routine. While steam is a no-go for marble, hot water can still be used for monthly cleaning because the marble doesn't stay heated long enough to cause damage. Boiling water is best, but very hot will do. Save your skin and be sure to wear heat-resistant gloves when you're pouring the hot water into your bucket. Because you can't use harsh cleaners or abrasive scrubbers on marble, the hot water helps cut through the grime and buildup. Boil at least 2 quarts of distilled water. Use distilled water because the minerals in regular tap water can scratch and discolor marble. Use a microfiber or other soft mop head attached to a plastic mop handle. Wooden mop handles and metal hardware can scratch marble floors. Wet the floor down with a damp, not dripping, mop. Mop the floor with your marble safe cleaner and hot water. Avoid getting the floor too wet. Rinse your mop, then rinse your mop bucket and fill it with clean, cold water. Mop the floor again using clean water to remove the cleaner and dirt. Dry your marble floors by hand, or foot, using bath towels. If you let the floor air dry, the cleaning solution could absorb into the marble, and the moisture can create rust stains from the iron oxide found in marble. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.